Hey, this is where we're at with the help of Paul from Green Nature. Thank you, Paul. I appreciate your help. We've managed to log into CMS, and I've already created an area called Box. So this is what happens. So I click on Box, and I'm going to add my device, and I will click on ONVIF and then click IP search, and it will find the camera. Right, it's found the camera, so I click on the camera and it fills in all the relative information down here. So now what I'm going to do is put in the password 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So all that in there. Then we'll click on OK. And apparently it should just drop in the IP address, but it says up here, edit, not responding. So I've done this a couple of times and it's not working. So you'll see what happens anyway. No idea why it won't do it. It's finding the IP, it's finding the camera, but it's obviously got something to do with that IP address, I'm sure of it. Because initially I plugged accidentally plugged this camera into a high-look NVR. See, that's what's happened. It says can't find the device. Can't find the device. I plugged the camera into an NVR and it changed the IP address from 192.168.1.123 and it changed it to 192.168.254.36, and this is where the problem is. And I'm trying to reset the password back to factory default so I can start all over again. But this is what happens. So there you go. That's what's happening.